Okay. Hello everyone, please enjoy lunch with me, right? Chicken grilled and omelette. This is omelette, right? So simple. So please enjoy watching how I make this chicken marinade. And please don't forget to subscribe for more video, right? Look at that. The flavor very good. This is omelette. Really yum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. The recipe I make it so simple and easy for everybody who want to cook by themselves, right? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys how to marinate chicken breast. Right? Chicken breast. So try it first. Okay. Make it dry. Keep doing like this. So simple, easy way. Right? This is fat. Cut the fat away. Cut the fat away. Yeah, liền đi. This man đạm hồ gói is too much. No more. You just eat. Maybe you need lunch. Okay, this one like this. Just make it like this. Okay. Slowly. And this one. Just slide like this way, slowly. Alright, a little bit like that. One more. Clean lá là đã cream mà chứ. Okay.
Đặt cái hai sập tới nè, đừng có ở ngọt không. Cái lươn, cái ở trên.
Okay. Another way. This is black pepper. Just put black pepper. Salt, garlic powder, just on one side, only one side, right? I don't do both sides, just only one side. This is paprika. Okay. And what this is? Chinese spice. We mix everything, right? Right now 12. What time? 12:30 is it? Yeah, 12:30. So I make my lunch time. Right? Can you pass me oils? This is lemon. Pass me oils, please. Right now. Okay. My mouth feeling watering because lemon limes. This is make it sour. And then this is cooking oil, right? We have cooking oil. Just string on top like this. Super easy way. Easy way. Alright. That's it. That's all. Right, look at this. Okay? Chicken breast marinade. Salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and Chinese spice. Right? Look at that. So I had to grill in air fry for my lunchtime, right? For my lunchtime. Okay, right now, air fry is already okay. Take it out. What's going on this? Can you put oil a little bit? Just put oil a little bit. Otherwise, okay. You split the oil. Give me tissue. Some tissue, please. Okay. That's the way. And then we put this one. That in. Put this in. So simple, right? Make it your life simple, easy, so you don't need to worry to stand and cooking all day. Put that in. That's it. Now I have to serve myself with this grilled chicken, right? Look beautiful. So I take one piece, put in my plate, right? For my lunchtime. Yummy. Look at that. See, beautiful. My lunchtime, very simple, easy, and very quick to develop my cooking for lunch. Today is Saturday, right? Weekend we do nothing, just cooking and eat it. That's all.